viewers, this is Mazil and you are watching CuTube. So today's topic is about Atom text editor, how we can code and how we can use Atom text editor. So let's start the video. So you can visit atom.io. Here you can find Atom text editor. From here you can download the Atom text editor. So what is the Atom text editor? Atom is a hackable text editor for 21st century. So here are the features. Cross-platform edition, so that Atom can work with Mac OS, Windows as well as Linux. It has built-in package manager, can download and install the packages which can make Atom more efficient. Smart auto completion. When you type the code in the Atom automatically recognize what you are typing and completes the lines of the code. So it can make easier for you when you are coding up big projects, etc. File system browser, multiple panes, find and replace. There are also some amazing features like themes, customization. You can also customize your Atom text editor if you know HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So let's start with the tutorial. I have already installed the Atom text editor, so I am just going to open it. So here is the Atom text editor. So you can see here, this is the logo and here it is written a hackable text editor for 21st century. Let's start with HTML. So as we are using a very beneficial text editor, so let's code something cool. Let me save this file as .html. So this is the HTML file which I have created just now. So here if I type HT, the pop-up comes that HTML, and when I press the enter button, automatically the whole code of HTML gets completed. So this is the most advantage of the Atom text editor. Without coding too much, you can make so much things. That's why I like using Atom text editor. So let's code something. Let's create a login page as username, email and password. So let us use Bootstrap for this. We go to getbootstrap.com. So here is the CDN link. I'll just copy this link from here and I'm going to paste this link here. So this is the CDN link of Bootstrap. Let us start coding. Let me make a div classes container. These classes which I am providing are inbuilt in this CSS Bootstrap file, which is linked as CDN. So let me type make and div again, div as jumbotron. Jumbotron is just to make look background more darker, and container is used to make the elements align in center of the page. So we are going to make a form. As you can see, just I am typing 2 to 3 words and all the code is coming like this. It's so efficient. In this form I am going to make a div. Class will be form group. In this I am going to type label, label for email input. Text will be email. There is an input field here. So here we have given for input email input. Let me make ID here. ID as same as that, email input. Now I am going to provide a class. Class for only input. Form control. Let's view a preview of this. Let me open the file in the browser. So here you can see the preview of that. Let me code again. I will copy this as it is and I will paste it here. Just change this as password input. This will be password, and here ID will be password input. So let's preview that. Amazing. These are two fields, email and password. Let's change that type as password. So when I will type something here, let's reload the page, and then now you can see when I'm typing something it doesn't show. That means it's a password field. Let me add a checkbox. Let's copy this and I will paste it here. Form group, and again one class is there in Bootstrap that is known as form check. And here for I'll interchange the label and input field. Cut it here and paste it. Class will be form control, form check, form control input, form check input, form check input, and here it will be class as form check label. Now let's preview this. So here we are doing something wrong. Type should be checkbox, and again for label is for checkbox input. And here the ID will be checkbox input. Let's see now. Perfect. So here let's change the text as check me out. Again I will refresh here. Now let's add one button. So button does not require any div. Button. You can see how coding is becoming simple when we are using Atom text editor. All the things, when I am typing 2 or 3 words, automatically it pops out. So type is button, type will be submit button, and here submit, and the class will be btn primary. Let's check this. So you can see that how using Atom text editor we have implemented this cool web page. Email, password, check me out, submit button. It's look cool when we use Bootstrap. We doesn't require any external CSS file to design a web page, etc. So this was about web page. So where more classes you can find out on Bootstrap, getbootstrap.com in documentation section. You can find out the codes, scripts, etc. for designing your. You can go to components. Here there are button. Here is the code, and classes are already written here. So you can just copy the classes from here and paste into your code. You don't need to remember the class name for coding. Let me make this shorter. So this was about HTML. Using Atom text editor you can code a lot of programming languages. So let me write a program of Python. We create a new file and save this file as demo.py. So here I will make a variable. You can see how the code is popping out. I am typing only 2 letters and everything is coming. Input function. first number. B int put enter second number. So C, why you require C variable? To store the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of the A and B. This is conventional method. You do not require third variable to store the data. You can just print the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So print A plus B use there plus B print minus B A into B print A divided by B. Let's save this code and execute it. Here this is the command window. You have to install a plugin for this that is known as terminal in your package manager. From go to settings, install. Here you can find that package terminal and AL. So this is the platform, your IDE terminal, which I am using to compile not, it is not a compiled language, it is an interpreted language. Python is an interpreted language. So let me execute this program. Normal user will type python demo.py. Code will run, but you don't need to type Python. Just type this much and hit enter. Enter first number as 5, second number as 5. Let's check. Addition is 10, subtraction is 0, multiplication is 25 and division is 1. So this was all about the Atom text editor. In setting you can install more plugins. It supports almost any language. I can show you the proof of this. So I will search Java here. So Java already is supported by Atom. It is inbuilt. Autocomplete Java. These are external plugins you can download and install for Java. Let's check out for C. Linter, C language. You can get even a GCC compiler. Cannot run the code in Atom text editor. So this was the Atom text editor. This editor is so much powerful, you can't imagine the power of Atom. Let's see that web page again. Where I have used the Bootstrap, I am minimizing the screen. It adjusts according to the screen size. That is the advantages of using Bootstrap. It doesn't require any external CSS file. Just copy and paste the link and give the classes. That's over. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, and then please like, subscribe and share. And if you want to comment, then please you can. It will motivate us to bring more videos on this type of amazing technologies. Thank you.